Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow other users to follow your activity on the ASKfm application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application. Then tap on this home button down below on the left side corner and click on this profile button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on settings on the right side in the middle of the screen and tap on the third option, which is account. Scroll down a bit till you find this allow others to subscribe to my activities. So tap on this button in order to enable this function, and then it will be turned on, as you can see, marked with this red button on the right side. So basically that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.